Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that are vying for the title of the best in the market. On the left, we have the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. And on the right, we have the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The ARIFAYZ dash cam boasts a FHD 1080p resolution, which means it captures crisp and clear footage during the day and night. But hold on to your seats, because the CHENSIVE dash cam takes it up a notch with its mind-blowing 4K resolution. That's right, folks, you'll be able to see every single detail on the road, even the tiniest bug on your windshield. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ARIFAYZ dash cam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an awesome live stream, download videos, and easily share your footage with friends and family. But wait, the CHENSIVE dash cam also offers Wi-Fi connectivity and an app that lets you control all three cameras simultaneously. It's like having your own personal surveillance system on wheels. Parking mode is crucial for protecting your vehicle when you're not around. The ARIFAYZ dash cam has a 24-hour parking mode that activates when your car is parked, ensuring that any impact or collision is recorded. However, the CHENSIVE dash cam takes it a step further with its 24-hour parking monitor that not only records but also detects motion. Say goodbye to those pesky car thieves. Loop recording is essential to ensure that your dash cam never runs out of storage. Both cameras excel in this department, automatically overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card is full. But here's the kicker. The CHENSIVE dash cam also has a G sensor that detects sudden shakes or collisions and locks the footage, providing you with solid evidence in case of an accident. When it comes to design, the ARIFAYZ dash cam takes the cake with its slim and compact size, ensuring it doesn't obstruct your view while driving. Installation is a breeze even for first-time users. On the other hand, the CHENSIVE dash cam has a hidden design that doesn't block your view or distract you while driving. Plus, it's a piece of cake to install thanks to its user-friendly setup. The ARIFAYZ dash cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera has been praised for its good video and sound quality, affordability, and excellent customer support. On the other hand, the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam has impressed reviewers with its high-quality performance, clear visuals, and user-friendly features. Now it's your turn to decide which one suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks. A head-to-head battle between the ARIFAYZ dash cam and the CHENSIVE dash cam. Both cameras offer impressive features, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, Buy Smart is here to guide you towards making the right choice. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more epic comparisons. Until next time, happy driving!